Welcome to this complete Strasbourg, France travel guide. Envision a city brimming with charm, steeped in rich history, and pulsating with vibrant culture. That's Strasbourg for you. Today, we're going to explore 12 remarkable facets of this city, from the towering Strasbourg Cathedral to the quaint La Petite France, the grand Palais Rohan to the serene Parc de l'Orangerie, and much more. So whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or a nature lover, Strasbourg has something for you. Buckle up as we take you on a whirlwind tour of this enchanting city. First off, we cannot talk about Strasbourg without mentioning the iconic Strasbourg Cathedral. This colossal work of art, known as Cathédrale Notre-Dame de Strasbourg, is a testament to the city's rich historical tapestry. Built over 4 centuries, its unique blend of Romanesque and Gothic architecture is a sight to behold. The cathedral's grandeur is further accentuated by its intricate sculptures depicting biblical scenes and allegorical figures. However, the real showstopper is the astronomical clock, a marvel of medieval engineering. This clock not only tells the time but also tracks the movement of planets, calculates solar and lunar eclipses, and even marks religious festivals. And let's not forget the platform. A climb of over 300 steps rewards you with a panoramic view of Strasbourg, a site that truly encapsulates the city's charm. So whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply a lover of breathtaking views, this monumental piece of architecture is a must-visit when in Strasbourg. Next, let's meander through the quaint streets of La Petite France. This charming neighborhood is the very heart of Strasbourg, and it's easy to see why. The half-timbered houses, with their sloping roofs and vibrant window boxes, are an enchanting sight to behold. Each one is a testament to the region's rich history, dating back to the 16th century when the area was home to the city's millers, tanners, and fishermen. Stroll along the cobblestone lanes and you'll find yourself by the picturesque canals. These waterways, once the lifeblood of the city, are now the perfect place for a leisurely boat ride or a tranquil walk. Whether it's the gentle lapping of the water or the distant chatter of fellow explorers, the sounds of La Petite France are as captivating as its sights. And so, as we turn every corner and cross every bridge, we discover that La Petite France is a true embodiment of the soul of Strasbourg. Now we move on to the regal Palais Rohan and the serene Parc de l'Orangerie. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of the Palais Rohan, an architectural masterpiece of the 18th century. This magnificent palace, once the residence of the prince-bishops and cardinals of the House of Rohan, now houses 3 major museums. Its rich history and cultural significance are as captivating as its breathtaking exterior. Just a stone's throw away lies the Parc de l'Orangerie, an oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Its beautifully manicured gardens, charming lake, and the stately orangery building provide a peaceful escape. And let's not forget the park's feathered inhabitants, the storks, which are a symbol of Alsace. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of nature, the Palais Rohan and Parc de l'Orangerie offer something for everyone. So why not take a leisurely stroll and let the charm of Strasbourg wash over you? Both the palace and the park add a royal touch to the Strasbourg experience. Strasbourg also plays host to the European Parliament and the Alsatian Museum. As a city at the crossroads of Europe, Strasbourg holds an integral role in European politics. The European Parliament stands as a testament to the unity of the continent where decisions that shape the future of Europe are made. Moving from politics to culture, the Alsatian Museum offers a deep dive into the rich and vibrant history of the region. Here you'll find a labyrinth of rooms filled with artifacts, each telling a unique story of the Alsatian way of life. From traditional furniture to folk art, the museum is a treasure trove of cultural heritage. This blend of politics and culture makes Strasbourg a city unlike any other. Whether you're a history buff, a political enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, you'll find something to pique your interest. These spots offer a taste of the political and cultural side of Strasbourg. Next, we take to the waters with a boat tour on the Ill River. Picture this, friends, gliding along the serene waters of the Ill River, the city's grandeur unfolding before your eyes. This isn't just a boat tour, it's a journey through time, where each bend of the river reveals a new chapter of Strasbourg's rich history. Now let's dry off and step into the realm of imagination at the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art. This isn't your everyday art museum, it's a creative powerhouse, a playground for the mind, where the conventional meets the extraordinary. Here you'll experience art that pushes boundaries and challenges perceptions. It's a veritable feast for the senses, with works from the likes of Picasso, Kandinsky, and other modern masters. So whether you're a history buff or an art aficionado, these two experiences are not to be missed. Both the river and the museum provide a different perspective on the city. Now let's venture into the heart of the city at Place Kléber. Nestled in the center of Strasbourg, this vibrant square buzzes with life and is steeped in history. Place Kléber is more than just a meeting point, it's the beating heart of the city. Alive with local charm and character, this square is an emblem of Strasbourg's spirit. From the hustle and bustle of the city, we move to the tranquil embrace of nature. The botanical gardens of the University of Strasbourg are an oasis of serenity and a living museum of flora. Here, one can explore over 6,000 species of plants spread across an expanse of green. It's a green thumb's paradise and a haven for nature enthusiasts. The gardens are a testament to the university's commitment to preservation and education, making it not just a place of beauty, but of learning too. These spots offer a mix of bustling city life and tranquil green spaces. Lastly, we delve into history at the Historical Museum and enjoy the arts at the Strasbourg Opera House. Situated in the heart of the city, the Historical Museum of Strasbourg is a treasure trove of the city's past. As we step inside, we are greeted by a myriad of artifacts, each telling a unique tale of Strasbourg's evolution. From the Middle Ages to the creation of the European institutions, the museum charts the city's journey through time, painting a vivid picture of its vibrant history. One can't help but feel a sense of awe as we witness the centuries unfold before our eyes. No trip to Strasbourg would be complete without experiencing the enchanting performances at the Opera House. Nestled in Place Broglie, this neoclassical gem has been captivating audiences since the early 19th century. The Opera House is renowned for its diverse repertoire, offering everything from classical ballet to contemporary dance and from timeless operas to modern musicals. The building itself is a sight to behold, with its grand facade and opulent interior that hark back to an era of elegance and sophistication. As the final notes of a captivating performance echo through the Grand Hall, we're reminded of the city's rich cultural tapestry. Strasbourg is a city where history and culture intertwine, offering a unique blend of old and new, traditional and modern, local and international. These experiences wrap up our tour, encapsulating the rich history and culture of Strasbourg. And there you have it, 12 amazing things to do in Strasbourg, from the majestic Strasbourg Cathedral to the enchanting La Petite France, the historic Palais Rohan to the serene Parc de l'Orangerie, the city's heartbeat at Place Kléber, the knowledge hub at the European Parliament, and the artistic brilliance in the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art. Not forgetting the boat tour, the botanical gardens, the historical museum, and the Strasbourg Opera House. Strasbourg awaits your visit, offering a cornucopia of experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Strasbourg. Until next time, happy travels.